In this video, I will discuss the effects of divorce on children and provide actionable advice for men in this situation. Tune in until the end for resources to help you make an informed decision about how best to proceed with your family's future. Divorce can be devastating for any child, no matter their age or gender. Studies from across the globe reveal similar trends. UK stats show that 2/3 of families headed by single parents are living in poverty. Australia reports that more than 1/3 of all divorces involve kids under 18. Canadian studies link parental separation with increased risk for depression and suicide among adolescents. And American statistics note that nearly half of all first marriages fail within 15 years. 60% if both partners have been previously divorced. No matter what country you live in, ultimately divorce has potential negative impacts on a child's well-being, including social isolation, behavioral issues, academic problems, and emotional difficulties too. It's important to keep these facts top of mind when deciding whether or not to file for divorce. While it may seem like ending your marriage is the only answer right now, there are lots of options available before resorting to legal proceedings. The most important thing you can do as a father is take care of yourself during this challenging time so that you can better support your family through whatever decisions they make together. Make sure you're speaking regularly with mental health professionals if necessary, and staying connected with supportive friends and loved ones who understand what you're going through. 3. There are plenty of online communities where fathers experiencing marital problems can connect virtually as well. 4. Additionally, try attending marriage counseling sessions together or separately. Either way, it's beneficial for everyone involved, provided both parties want reconciliation rather than separation. 5. Finally, look into local organizations offering services specifically designed to help struggling couples work out their differences without involving lawyers or courtrooms, like Save My Family, which provides free consultation services around different countries, such as USA, Canada, UK, and Australia, etc. 6. This video does not provide legal, financial, or tax advice. The information provided in this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as legal advice. If you require legal advice, please contact a qualified attorney, for example, by signing up for a free course on our website Divorce Lab Pro. We will connect you with a pre-selected lawyers or other experts you may need. Join our free course to learn how to navigate the divorce process. Learn about the negative impact of divorce on you, children, and family, and how to protect your rights. Pre-selected experts are available to help men through this difficult time. Get it free now at Divorce Lab Pro. Impact of divorce on children for a man. Understand that divorce affects children emotionally, physically, and mentally. It can lead to emotional distress, depression, and other mental health issues. Acknowledge the fact that the effects of divorce vary from child to child depending on their age and personality. Understand that children will be affected by parental conflict during the divorce process. The more you can do to reduce conflict in front of your kids, the better off they will be in the long run. Be aware that feeling abandoned or rejected is common among children when parents separate, even if it isn't intentional, so try not to show any hostility towards one another in front of them. Remember that divorce usually means 2 homes instead of 1. This can create instability for a young person, which may affect their academic performance, amongst other things. Try to maintain consistency between both households as much as possible so your child has something familiar they can rely on no matter where they are living at any time. Realize it's natural for children who have experienced a separation divorce struggle with communication afterwards. Understand this behavior and help them express themselves in healthy ways, such as through counseling or talking with friends or family members about their feelings rather than bottling them up inside themselves. This could cause further problems down the line. Know there is an increased risk of anxiety disorders amongst children whose parents have separated, divorced, compared those whose families remain intact. Research has shown these worries often persist into adulthood too, so make sure you are providing support throughout all stages of life, post-separation divorce, including college years, etc. Best advice for impacting divorce on children for men. Don't take out your frustrations on your kids. Remember how sensitive they are, especially around delicate topics like this one. Find someone else outside of home who you can vent with, but never involve the kids directly unless absolutely necessary, and even then speak calmly. Show compassion towards each other no matter what disagreements arise during negotiations. Understanding leads to healing and strong relationships going forward, regardless if it's just an amicable split or not. Try hard not let bitterness get in the way here. Put yourself in their shoes. Imagine how scared they might feel right now, as well as being uncertain about future plans, especially if custody arrangements, etc., are yet unknown. Reassure them regularly that everything is going okay until all decisions have been made and finalized by court, etc. It's normal during times like these when emotions run high, but remember, always think twice before taking legal steps towards ending your relationship, because those decisions could have lasting consequences on everyone involved, especially if there are children involved. Remember, there is always hope, even though things may feel hopeless right now. Seek professional advice whenever possible so that hopefully one day soon life will get back on track again. Join our free course to learn how to navigate the divorce process. Learn about the negative impact of divorce on you, children, and family, and how to protect your rights. Pre-selected experts are available to help men through this difficult time. Get it free now at Divorce Lab Pro.